Nifty 50-minute candle you can observe here. Nifty today it's up by almost 130 points positive close, and also Nifty it's a gap up open market, and also entire day the price action is sideways market. So yesterday there is a gap also is there, gap is pending. So even yesterday trend also very strong negative trend, price closing at day's low. Today big gap up open because of the global cues are very positive, so that is also one of the reason market is strong gap up. Along with the last 7 to 8 trading session, Nifty is strong negative trend is there. So today that's why today it's a gap up open. So coming to the tomorrow, how to trade, whether Nifty will go to fill the gap or Nifty will break out tomorrow. So there is a big question is there. So before going to the analysis, you have to observe the today how the market is, especially in our Telegram channel also we morning especially one of the new news related to the sugar stocks, especially those who are investors, they're thinking that especially sugar stocks because of the rain draft this year, rain not coming up to the mark, along with the especially sugar cane, so not requires lot of rain. So that's why coming to the all the sugar stocks are up by nearly 4%, 5%, 10% like that only. So maybe chances are higher that you have to pick the which one is the fundamentally strong stock. So coming days will go further upside momentum positivity is there. So why reason also we mentioned in the Telegram channel, you can check join. Also along with that today entire day we posted the chart also. Today around 10:30 we posted the chart also. Nifty is it's a almost consolidation zone morning around 10:30. In that we mentioned that there is a strong gap up, and also there is a consolidation near the resistance level. So there is a high probability that Nifty will go breakout about 24,260 level. The momentum positivity is there. Same thing today morning, the momentum towards the upside. So today Sensex expiry is coming to the FIS data also observe. FIS are the continuously buying from last 10 days. FIS data okay. Cash data, FIS data you can observe here. So FIS data not that much negative. So but market I'll observe here last 7 to 8 trading session, Nifty trend is a strong negative trend. Even DI is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 continuously from last 7 trading session daily buying, but still market not going. So that's why something is mismatch is there. So that's why a big gap up open today, that is also near the support level 24,000 level. Nifty is big gap up. So tomorrow already I told as per the price action observe here, as per the price action, so hourly candle observe as per the hourly candle. So the earlier trend is a negative trend is there. So if the price any breakout above this level 24,250 and all, so there is a high probability price will go to the first target. One is 24,400, target 2 is 24,500, even 24,500 also sustain, then the again price will come back to the 24,700. So now near term support level is 24,000 is the near term support level. This is the very important analysis. If in case Nifty any breakdown 24,000 level, Nifty will go to the up to next support level is 23,800 level. So currently the trend is a negative trend. So but today trend change from the negative to positive. That's very positive sign. Okay. So coming to the tomorrow. So tomorrow if the Nifty any 24,250 is the important resistance level. If in case price any 50-minute candle or 30 minutes candle, any green candle breakout with the volume, so then there is a high probability price will go to the next resistance level 24,400, because this is the level is the next resistance level. Okay, so now observe here tomorrow. Obviously today very important analysis is today 50-minute candle 5-minute candle observe. As per the 5-minute candle, so Nifty is completely sideways market entire day. So obviously today low is the 50-minute candle also not breakdown. So obviously this level 24,200 is the very strong support level tomorrow. If in case price any opening flat and all, there is high probability price will go further upside momentum. Okay, any green candle form in this support level, so then price again back to the 24,250. If in case Nifty any 50-minute candle tomorrow, at least 50-minute candle with volume breakdown today low, then only we can expecting price will be further downside momentum possibility is there, because gap also pending is there. Okay. So coming to the even bank nifty chart observe, even bank nifty also currently price action observe here because of the today, especially crude oil trend is very positive trend is there. So that is also one of the reason bank nifty today little bit of the even gap up, also little bit of the profit booking. And also bank nifty price closing near the day's low below price closing. So obviously bank nifty trend is negative trend. So bank nifty I can consider 57,700 level is the important resistance level. Similarly 57,500 level is the important support level. Okay, so tomorrow bank nifty here gap also pending is there, the price is break down the closing below the today opening level. So that is a strong negative news. So tomorrow bank nifty wait for the price to break out today high. Today high breakout means very good rally expected up to 58,000 level. One point. Second point, if in case bank nifty today low, this candle low, any breakdown, at least 5-minute candle bearish candle breakdown, then there is high probability price will come to fill the 57,300 level. The momentum possibility is there. Okay, but if in case bank nifty any gap down open in this support level 57,200 to 300 level near support level, bank nifty any open, after that any bullish candle bullish pattern comes, so then again bank nifty will up to the 57,500. Okay, so coming to the crude oil also on second observe, crude oil also trend is after the strong rally crude oil as per 50-minute candle. So currently as per our view crude oil there is a once the price is usually, so after the price is break crude oil chart observe, crude oil almost from last 3 days crude oil trade is almost sideways only. Today price is breakout, so that is also one of the reason the momentum towards to the upside. So currently crude oil will go further downside possibility, very high chance is there. This is the swing high reversal level, this is the stop loss we need to maintain. Stop gate will be $85 and all, so after that it will go to the again 84 and all. So this is the crude oil will go further, volatility is there crude oil, so maybe further downside possibility, very high chance is there crude oil. So coming to the especially BSE stock related to the NSE and BSE related, there is a tug of war. There is a NSE will IPO is coming to the soon, so that's why related to the BSE, though they are telling that we will list the company in the NSE only, that's also one of the little bit of the news, negative news coming. So that's why BSE stock is under pressure is there. Almost from recent high to high, almost nearly 15% BSE stock is down currently. This is the very important support level is there around 3,250. Any breakdown below this level we can plan for the selling side, price will go further downside momentum. Similarly Premier Energy also observe, Premium Energy also stock is near the resistance level is the Premium Energy as per the hourly candle observe, as per hourly candle stock is near the resistance level. So next resistance level around 1100 to 1120, any breakout hourly candle, so then price will go further upside. You can watch Premier Energy. Coming to the Glenmark also stock is very strong V-shape recovery, so the trend is very positive. Maybe chances are higher that today high any breakout we can plan for the buying side, price will go further upside. Keynes Technology observe, Keynes Technology very beautiful chart is there. Stock is every dip buyers are active, currently any dip it's a buying activity, price will go 4,000 plus possibility is there. You can watch the Keynes Technology also. MCX also trend is very positive trend is there, consolidation again breakout is there, any breakout above the 3,100 and all, again price will go further upside momentum. You can watch MCX stock also. Okay, both Nifty and Bank Nifty both trend is a positive trend only I can say. So tomorrow as per the daily hourly candle also Bank Nifty, this is the longer time frame, so any breakout 58,000 is the resistance level. So obviously Bank Nifty here immediate resistance is there, any breakout this level immediate Bank Nifty will touch the 58,000 level. So the gap also is there tomorrow. This gap area is the important support level 57,400. Any trading above this level positive consider, below this level will be the consider negative. So overall the Bank Nifty also, if in case any fill the gap, smart buying also possibility, very high chance is there. Okay, so tomorrow even FI is also very positive data is there, along with the Nifty closing very positive today. Tomorrow our view is positive. Okay, so everyone please share your view in the comment section whether market will go further upside momentum tomorrow or profit booking tomorrow. Please share in the comment section. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.